forget to subscribe. Also, click on the bell for notifications. Okay, so on this video, I'm going to be showing you the thread paths on each of the rows. So on this one, there's 3 rows from front to back, and then also 5 rows from right to left. Again, it's right to left, not left to right. So I'm going to show you a picture of the 5 rows that they have on this, and I'm going to also show you from the tray on there, the little tower over it. I'm going to show you where to place the thread in those paths, the little blue circle holes. Okay, so here is the picture of rows 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, as well as I didn't want to overload this picture. There's the front area is row 1, and that's the one that has the 5 in the front. The bottom of the picture, and then the middle are the 4, and then the back is the one that has 3 cones in the back. Okay, I'm going to be using a needle, the long one, to show you the placement. So for the first one on the front right side is cone number 1. Center front right side is cone number 2. Cone number 3 is right here. Cone number 4 is the second row to the front, so cone number 4. Cone number 5 is right here on the second row. Cone number 6 is in the back center. Cone number 7 is on the third row, so the center front. Cone number 8 is in the middle, closer to the left, and cone number 9 is all the way to the back to the left. Cone number 10 is the 4th row to the front, and then cone number 11 is right here on the left into the center left side, and cone number 12 is the lonely one, but it's the 5th row to the front left side, and that's the cone numbers right there. Okay, so I'm gonna place the first one in. So first I'm going to leave these all down. Make sure to take them off from the bottom too, because I had a problem when I was putting the thread paths in and the thread was tangling in between those little slinky things. Needle number 1 is for the first cone. Second one. Then second one. Third. It's going to take me a while because I'm trying to go as thorough as I can. Try not to edit and delete areas of this video, just in case if you guys are going, trying to follow the video. So back, it's all the way the one in the back. Okay, and then we're going to go to the second one in the center, and then we're going to go to the third one. Okay, then we'll just let the thread hang. Okay, so the second row. If you have an issue with the end, just snip it off. going to put it on the fourth one. And let it hang. Okay, so the fifth one, the center, second row, is going to go to the third little open area in the center, and just going to pull it through from the back, and then we're going to go to the fifth one on the front. There's like a little like an area that sticks out here, so gotta feel for it so you can put it in. So, and then that's it. Put it down. And then the sixth one, that's the one all the way in the back. So this one's split a little bit. Oh. Okay, so this one, let me put it back under. So I'm gonna go all the way to the back, to the center. And that's for the sixth cone. So, and that's the second row to the back. So I'm gonna pull this, and then it's gonna go to the middle. So number 4. And then it's gonna go to the 6th position, and that's the right center. Okay, I'm gonna do number 7. So number 7, gotta be careful with all this. So okay, so number 7 is going to be in the center. Trying to be careful with this. Oh, wait a minute. Got to be careful, I'm pulling the wrong ones. Okay, so you pull these right here. That way I can grab the ones away. Okay. And now my yellow. After threading that, I had to take these off because it was getting tangled up on the little slinkies. And rethread that. Let me take off this one right here. Okay. All right, give me more work. Okay. 7, 8. So the 8th one is going to go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th one in the center. and then the 8th right here. If you have the USB, it does have where the numbers, where everything's supposed to go to. So if you want to look at the book, but if you're more visual, hopefully this helps. I need the scissors. Okay. Okay, so we're on 9. So 9's all the way to the left back. And then it's going to be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's only seven holes on the second area. And then we're going to the 9th hole right here to the front. And then we'll put it down. So we've got 3 more. So I'm going to get this little one right here. Thread it, and it's in the front, so we're on the 10th spot right here. Okay, number 11, the purple. Okay, the 11th one is the last one on the left, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th to the center. Okay, and then we're going to go to the 11th spot right here. And then number 12. I'm going to trim that. Number 12, and that's just in the front. And that's how you thread the top tier here up here. Okay, that's it for this video. On to the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.